Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are around the world. Welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. I'm live here every morning with a wonderful team of people that support each other in trading stocks and shares, Bitcoin, every morning live here on the opening bell and the closing bell later on. What a few days it's been, so let's get straight into it. Have you held firm? Have you kept calm? Have you done all the right things? Let's find out. Okay, subscribe to the channel if you're new here and ring the bell, because if you set the notifications to all, you'll be notified of special events that we do. We sometimes have breaking news on new markets, and today we're discussing also some ARGO blockchain. We've got the IPO coming up imminently, so get yourself into the show by ringing the bell and you won't miss a thing. Also, give us a thumbs up. If you thumbs up the video, it tells YouTube that this video is good and more people get to see it. We are a brand new channel and we're growing very, very quickly, like our stocks and shares on our portfolio, which is always really good to see. Okay, let's get straight into the show this morning. We've got people already joining me over there on TikTok. Tap the screen to get your comment to the top. If you click the profile here, you'll come straight into YouTube. It's the best place to be. If you come into YouTube, you'll see my trading screens. Sheldon Foxcroft, it's my birthday. Well, you're in the right place, because I'm known as the World Piano Man from my TV studio. That's where I am now. And every day, weekday at 4 p.m. Central, 5 p.m. Eastern Time, I do live concerts with guests from all over the world, and I could sing you happy birthday today if you'd like. If you'd like more information on that, click the profile here, click on the YouTube link, come into the channel, and I will show you my channel, and then I'll be able to invite you to we'll put on a special birthday party just for you. How about that? Little gift from me to you. All right, let's go straight into my portfolio. So did you hold firm yesterday? Did you hold firm? This is my stocks and shares right now, as you can see. We've recovered a little bit this morning. Today, up 1.79. Yesterday, we made some slight recoveries, but we dropped throughout the day. Sorry, I'll rephrase that. We dropped all day yesterday, but we started to see some gains. I've never seen 47,000 before in my portfolio, but we're nearly back at 48. Remember, this portfolio reached a high of 52, so it's got a way to go. We're talking about, one thing we're talking about today is a new IPO, which is ARGO. ARGO blockchain comes out in a couple of days' time, so we're very excited about that. In fact, it IPOs September 23 in a couple of days. Should you invest in ARGO blockchain? It's as we'd like to, we invest here with crypto, and we invest in Bitcoin. So should we invest in a mining company that has already done well in the UK? This is the US version of that, as we discovered yesterday on the show. Should we invest in it? All right, tap the screen over there on TikTok, and that bring your comments to the top. How's the Flamingo stocks doing? Flamingo stocks, never heard of it. If you'd like to share a link with us, please come into YouTube and share it with the team, and we'll take a look at it for you. Good morning, Peter Brazier. Peter Brazier is here. How are you, Peter? Lovely to have you here. All right, how's your portfolio this morning? We've picked up 0.79 today. Did you hold firm? Did you sell everything? I would have suggested not. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just an entertainer on the internet with my music channel, and this is my day trader channel. But this is my real money, and this is what I'm doing with it. Right, let's have a look. Amazon has picked up pre-market right now. It looks like we're going to see some gains this morning. So that could be good. Let's have a quick sip from a cup of tea. All right. So it could be interesting this morning to see a bit of a bounce. It could come. I'm expecting a recovery in the next week or so. Not necessarily today, but the next week or so. But it's good to see it, though. Johnson & Johnson up 0.61. This is pre-market, which is very encouraging. Very, very encouraging. I know Bill's interested in Virgin. So let's have a look at that. Virgin is up there, 0.65 in the pre-hours. Bitcoin has recovered as well, up 1.47 today. So have we hit the bottom? I don't know. The honest answer is I don't know. But we are seeing some pleasant moves in the right direction. So did you buy the dips? I didn't buy the dips this time, if you remember. And the reason why I didn't buy the dips this time was I want to keep money on hand in case it doesn't recover quick enough, because I want to build up $6,000 in my buying power, money on the side, ready to invest in Rivian, which I think is going to be the biggest IPO of the decade. Flamingo Boys coin is going to the moon. Flamingo Boys coin, what a waste of time. Don't tell me you've now invested in a coin called Flamingo Boys. All right, okay. I'm not interested in anything like that at all. I'm only interested in long-term growth. This is real money. This is my real money. This is my pension. This is how I'm going to live when I'm in my 70s. I'm not playing with money. I'm not interested in Binky Bonk, Donkey Dink. Now we got Flamingo Boys. No, not interested in any of that. I'm only interested in Ethereum and Bitcoin. I don't currently invest in Ethereum. I only invest in Bitcoin right now, but that's only the two I actually believe in. The rest are a bit of a joke. It's a bit of a rich man's scheme, pyramid scheme. Buy this, we all get rich until it all collapses. So, great. If you want to make some money out of it, then great. It's like going to a casino. We're not in a casino here. Not at all. My channel is all about long-term sustained growth and living a very comfortable life. That's what this is all about. If you've come to my channel looking for Flamingo Boys coins, you've come to the wrong channel. So there we go. All right, Lucid Group is up 1.45. That's the alternative right now to Tesla. But of course, we're going to have Rivian soon, which will be, some have said, is the Tesla killer. I don't believe that for a second. But like Android, like iPhone, you do need two versions. Lucid's another version. It's the first 500 mile range electric car, by the way. So it's got a lot going for it. It looks beautiful. It's very different, I think, than Tesla, but it's a good one. Robinhood has recovered today. We're still climbing up 1.08 now. That's very, very good. Okay. Rolls Royce now. Whoa. Up 6% on the pre-market. Buenos dias, senors and senoritas. How are you, John? Look at Rolls Royce this morning. Look at Rolls Royce this morning. 6% in the pre-market. We are doing great guns here with Rolls Royce now, up 20% on this investment. So there you go. Long-term stuff. I didn't sell it yesterday. I believe John did, and I thought actually it wasn't a bad idea. Because I said yesterday on the show that Rolls-Royce, it's doing well, but it doesn't do a lot. It just trickles upwards. It does trickle upwards, but it doesn't do a lot. So I thought, okay, let's sell. I was contemplating today selling Rolls-Royce, thinking, hey, let's sell some Rolls-Royce today. But look what's happened. Look what's happened. Rolls-Royce. Look at that. What do you make of it? Let's reposition that on the screen a little bit. Let's put that about there. There we go. That's about right. There you go. Rolls-Royce this morning. Look at this. Up 6.71%. This is fantastic. This is the bounce we've been waiting for, right? This is good news. 2 cents, no biggie. No, but it's all about percents. It's all about percentages. It's not about the cents because it's a cheap stock. I have 711 shares in it, whereas Tesla I have like 3 or something. So, it's all relative. But anyway, thought I'd share that with you. That's looking pretty interesting. Anyway, Robinhood's doing well today. Lucid's doing great. We're all missing out on Lucid. If you remember, I had $2,000 in Lucid and I sold out. It dropped, and then wow. If we look on the week now, we're up 27%. 27%. I've lost out a lot of money there, but like we've always said, if you take the money out and spend it on booze and stuff like that, alcohol and cigarettes, then you've lost the money. If you sold a stock and put it into another stock that might not necessarily have realized its gains, but you bought a dip, that profit is coming later. You haven't lost the money. So it's one of those things. You can't ever be sad about a stock you're not in. But so far this morning, we are looking promising. We're up 0.75. Everything in green in pre-market for me. Hope it continues. Oh, don't we, John, eh? Wouldn't we like a day like that today? We certainly would. Certainly would. If you've just come over to the show from TikTok, I know a lot of people come over to the show from TikTok, then smash the like button. Give us a like. Here's the like button. Help us grow on YouTube. We're 7 weeks old now. And we are nearly 1,400 subscribers. Done pretty well, I reckon. So give us a like and also subscribe and ring the bell. I ask you to ring the bell because we've got some events coming up shortly. I'm going to announce today some special events. So you won't see those events unless you ring the bell because they're going to be impromptu. So there you go. All right. I can't handle 2 more weeks of this. Will we get to zero? Oh. Well, the end of the day, if all the stocks went to zero, you still own all those stocks. So, then you've got a nice upward trajectory, right? At the end of the day, you only lose if you sell at zero. If everything goes to zero and you sell everything at zero, you've lost everything. If you've kept your stocks and bought the dips, you now own more stocks. So at the end of the day, when things recover, you've got a longer way to go upward. That's as simple as that. Right, ARGO blockchain. We're looking at this today. This is a new market, and we're discussing on the show a nice upwards trajectory. LOL. Yeah, indeed. It needs to, right? What about ARGO blockchain? Should we invest in it? It's 2 days away. I've got 1 share reserved. Just to keep myself in the game. That doesn't mean I'm going to get the pre-IPO, of course, but it means I'm in the game. So this is ARGO blockchain. Whoops, no, it's not. That's Google. This is ARGO blockchain. What I discovered was yesterday on the show that actually the company have already done pretty well in the UK. It's based in the UK. It has a UK division and it has a US division. And the UK one has done pretty well. And I would suggest that the US one could do better for one particular reason. Electricity costs are cheaper in the US than they are in the UK. So that's the biggest expense, right? So I would have thought it was possible that if they did well in the UK, which they did, and they are doing well, then I would suggest they would do even better in the US. So this could be a good IPO. Like I said before, though, it's not great timing. Bitcoin is down, but then it's going to pick up in the next couple of weeks. So this could propel the interest back into Bitcoin. So it could be perfect timing, actually. It could be perfect timing. In fact, a Bitcoin mining company should know that September is a particularly bad month for Bitcoin. So they could know that time they come out, they'll get a bit of a bounce and off the shares will go. So it could be interesting for them. So I've got my eye on it and want to get everyone's opinion on it. Hi, good morning, Patricia. Right, we got 10 likes now, so the crowd's all here. We're off and running to the races, and that's awesome. If you're over there on TikTok, let me know by tapping the screen. Hello, Bride Dog 123. How are you? Oh, Bill's over there as well. And Mickey94Q7. I love these names people come up with. My name's Martyn Lucas, and on TikTok I'm called Martyn Lucas. I never understand why people have like crazy names, numbers and stuff. I've never understood it. I've never ever understood it. A lot of apps and stuff like that, people will do it. They'll go, my username is 276144, and you just can't call their name out. I've never understood it. Alicia and Patricia, hi, good morning to you and friends. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're seeing a bit of a recovery this morning. Yesterday was one of our worst days ever. It's noted for next September, by the way. Learning from this, everyday learning. But we just dropped back a little bit in the last hour or so. So we were excited for a while, but we're dropping back. We've got just 12 minutes before the bell goes. It should be an interesting bell this morning. Amazon is up 0.5%. Johnson & Johnson is up 0.5%. Tesla up 0.52. Facebook up 0.47. Apple up 0.64. So all these gains are happening. It's Bitcoin that's causing the problem for me right now. As we see, it's up today, but it's just dropped back. In the last hour, it's down 0.5%. That's what's driving it downward at the moment. Rolls-Royce is having one almighty day. I think that's the biggest jump we've seen. Yeah, look at that. That's the week. That's the month. We're up 4% on the month. And we're up 3% on the last 3 months. We're definitely seeing some recovery now. I mean, can you imagine if we lift off here? This could be a 10x. Who's in Rolls-Royce with me? Who's in Rolls-Royce? William Gartleman doesn't make a good TikTok name. Number one or Bill Dynasty, which I use, works for me. Yeah, I know. But at least you can, yeah, but the point is, Bill, at least you can read your name out. Like a load of numbers, it's like, it's like, what? I can't call your name out. And people come in and they ask you something. And they say, can you answer my question or whatever? And you try and talk to them back, and you think, well, how do I 761? I just don't know where to start with it. Anyway, there we go. Robinhood is up 1% today, doing very well. Look at that. Right, we've got 10 minutes to go now, so we're going to watch the market very closely. This could be an interesting bounce this morning. I think it's early to be talking about a recovery. I don't think we're there yet. But nevertheless, let's see. Virgin Galactic has opened up, but just dropping back slightly. I know Bill's interested in that, so we'll see how that goes. Muzanella from Florida. Good morning, all. There we go. We've got 12 likes now to the show. Great stuff. Good morning, team. Hey, we hit 1,400 subscribers today. Shall I show you? There we go. 1,400 subscribers in 7 weeks. That's pretty good, right? That's pretty good growth. I'm pretty excited about that. I have to be honest. Let's be honest. It's pretty good. Right. Okay. Now, Bitcoin is just starting to pick up from the bottom. I changed the big digital number TikTok gives to number one, easy peasy. There you go. Bill, by the way, thank you for your emails. I do read them all. I know I don't reply to all the emails. I get lots of emails every day. Bitcoin is moving upwards. That's nice. Quite a bit of a movement there. Did you see that? So, Bill, thank you for all your emails. And there was something else I was going to thank you for. What was it? The hat video I liked. I went onto your channel, by the way. I hope you saw that. I liked a video. I commented on one of your videos. I support everyone that supports me. So there we go. You can call me Brie, like the cheese. Oh, great, Brie dog. friendly New Zealand supporter. Lovely. Brie dog 123. You can call me Brie. Right, Brie, you are now then part of my family, right? You're part of the day trader family. So you're over on TikTok right now. I've got a wonderful family and love to introduce you to the team on YouTube. If you click the profile here, in 3 seconds, you'll be in YouTube. The YouTube link is right behind the profile, and you'll be able to see my trading screens. You'll be able to see my real money and talk to the team and share and talk and ask questions and so on. But you'll be able to see a lot more. All you can see here is my face. So unless you just like looking at my face, which is fine if that's what you want to do. But from New Zealand, we've got friends from Australia. I don't think we get anyone from New Zealand in the team. So we'd love to welcome you. So click the profile, try us out. I think you'll prefer it. I know you will once you try it. Takes 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Press YouTube. You're in. Okay. Let's see if Brie comes in. A friendly guest from New Zealand. That'd be nice. 7 minutes to go, and right, we've seen a little bit of a bounce this morning, but then it's dropping back again, which would indicate a bit of a sell-off again this morning. We shall see what happens, but you can't tell right now. Got 13 likes. Thank you, guys. If you're brand new on the channel or watching later on, please click subscribe and ring the bell and give us a thumbs up. Mr. Love really appreciates it, and it helps us grow on our YouTube channel here. And we share our live trades every morning. Okay. I think we've got time to quickly cover some news. So I think we've got time for... Let's have a quick look at this. Everyone's talking about this right now.
Because they have been one of the biggest victims of yesterday's sell-off. Joining us right now is Mike Novogratz, Galaxy Digital CEO. Mike, it's great to see you. Trying to understand where this is all headed, whether this is a buying opportunity, if you will, to buy the dip, or there's something grander, that's a play on words, about what's really happening here, Mike.
Listen, you know, the crypto market's had an amazing run. So let's first I'll put that in perspective. It's had an amazing quarter. There was a tremendous amount of activity around what we'll call level 1 blockchains, things like Ethereum, where people realized the story is not just Bitcoin, but it really is Web3. And missing Web3 would be like missing the internet. And so we've seen lots of money pile in. And I think the market got itself a little too long. The China news scared people. Worry about Fed coming out and, talking about stable coins and regulation. Gary Gensler has been like the tough sheriff. There was rumors yesterday all over the big conference in New York that the SEC was showing up and subpoenaing people. Yep. And so I think there was a lot of nervousness in the market, and you washed a lot of shorter term risk out. We held.
Hey, everybody, Brie Ryan. Brie Ryan has made it. Let's welcome from New Zealand a new member to the family, at least, possibly, maybe. They've got to be a member of the family, you've got to click the like button. So there we go. Brie is all the way from New Zealand, just joined us from TikTok. Fantastic. Mams you. What's your opinion on the current market with stocks and crypto? We're about to find out if we get a bit of a sell-off, but it's an opportunity right now to buy. This is what I've been doing. This is a time to consolidate and prepare for what's coming. So it's great opportunities. Welcome, everybody. I mean, all my team. Who have we got today? Muzanella, Bill, John, Peter, our friends Alicia, Patricia from Italy. Welcome in our new member here, Brie Ryan. Fantastic. Okay, so you can actually see, this is my studio. This is where we're trading from. This is what I can see of you. And this is where we trade every morning. And give us a subscribe and ring the bell. We're a brand new channel trying to get off the ground. And we've grown 1,400 subscribers in just 7 weeks. Done very, very well. And we got 3 minutes to go. Let's catch the end of this news. It's very, very important.
1,000 overnight in Bitcoin and 2,800 in Ethereum. I think those are very important levels for people to watch. As long as those hold, I think the market's in good shape. I see nothing but engagement and activity from our investing clients and our corporate clients. The level of inquiry, the level of business hasn't been higher. You notice today SoftBank came out and led a round for an NFT project in Europe called SoRare, right? A $660 million capital raise. And so we see so much capital coming into the space in private ways and in public ways. I'm not nervous. I actually think it's a buy. But listen, you know, the prices are prices. It was an ugly day in crypto yesterday.
But speak to two issues. Let's
Anything in exchange for some Bitcoin. Well, this is my Bitcoin position, Bree. I'll share it with you. This is my Bitcoin position on Robinhood. I currently have, I had over $10,000 worth. Obviously, the price has dropped. So it's currently now worth $7,800. You can see it on the screen right there. But I'm still up 28%, which is $1,737 profit. But I'm still very bullish. I still believe that this will be 100,000 by the end of the year. Institutions are backing it. Countries are backing it. It's just what's happened when it went into El Salvador. A lot of people who bought Bitcoin, who don't understand it, bought in, saw it dip, panicked like I did when I first came in it, when I first bought $100 worth of Bitcoin and it went down and I lost $5. What did I do? I sold out. I panicked because I didn't understand what Bitcoin was. And a lot of people in El Salvador were like that. They sold off. A lot of money was lost. A lot of whales bought up the dips, which is what's happening. Whales are people that have, you know, a lot of Bitcoin. And it's a time just to relax and let it do its thing. It's going to return to 50,000. You've got an opportunity now to buy in if you didn't buy in before it went to 50,000. So this is another chance. People always go, oh, I wish I'd bought in, but then they never do when we go back in time. Well, we've gone back in time. We've gone back before we had that bounce of 50,000. So if you're like me, you believe in Bitcoin, then now is an opportunity to buy in. But right, we're getting ready for the bell. It's going to be an interesting bell this morning. We are now moving up everything, 0.82. Am I going to return to 48,000 again? Remember, 52,000 was my peak back in August. I want to get back up there. We're not going to do that for a couple of weeks, but we are going to do it within a couple of weeks. I know that. Look at Amazon's moving up now. Right, here we go. 15 seconds for the bell. Here we go. Let's watch. Johnson & Johnson's now moving up. Tesla's moving up. Facebook is moving up on the bell. Let's ring the bell and let's watch what happens. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's ring it. Okay. There we go. Let's watch what happens now. Get a bit of a sell-off because we've made profits. That always happens. The first half an hour is the busiest day. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Amazon still peaking. Yeah. There we go. Still peaking. Tesla's just dropped back. Facebook is up. Amazon is up. Apple is just dropped back, but it is up. Let's go across to SPCE, just dropping back slightly, but still up. Rolls-Royce, biggest day today we've ever had, up 6.71%. I've been telling everybody, be in Rolls-Royce. Never, ever, 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 ever count out the British institution. All right, because it's backed by the government. It's instapled in Britishness. This is such a great company. It doesn't matter its debt position right now. It's so ingrained. I can't see Rolls-Royce failing, and Rolls-Royce will never fail. It's too much part of our history. Okay, we had a bit of a sell-off. I said that would happen. We had a bounce, and then we had a bit of a sell-off because people made profits. And those very, very, very... KK2. Well done, Rolls-Royce. KK2 is new. KK2, where are you from? KK2, welcome to my studio. This is my studio where we are live right now. This is what I can see of you. This is my TV studio where I go live every day. KK2, what part of the world you're from? I'm from the UK, but I'm based here in Texas. And we go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. And would love to get to know you. KK2. That's a cool name. Where are you from? And what are you investing? Southampton. I'm from Cornwall in the UK, but I'm based here in Texas. Let me just turn around for you. There you go. All right. This is my TV studio. This is where I go live every day. And I'll share with you my Bitcoin position. Alicia and Patricia from Italy. There we go. The opening bell's gone. And Bitcoin, what's Bitcoin doing? It's just bouncing around and not a great... Bitcoin isn't going to recover for a week or so, but it will. I'm very, very confident of that. Our friends on TikTok, if you want to get your message to the top of the screen, tap the screen, support the channel. And if you want to come into YouTube, like many of our friends have this morning, you will see what we're trading. Just click the profile, YouTube link's right behind it. KK2, how did you find out about the channel? Did you get suggested on YouTube, or did you find us on some other platform, or was it TikTok? Love to know. We're brand new. Thank you. Not investing yet. Well, I started this portfolio. 5 months ago, and I've grown $5,000 to 52. Instagram. That's interesting. You learned about me on Instagram. Ah, cool. I've only just started on Instagram. It's all a bit baffling, but and that's interesting that you learned about it there. Wonderful. Well, thanks ever so much for giving us a go. What we do here is we trade every morning live for the opening and closing bell. And what we do, which is different to most channels, other channels will talk about what you should do or influence you in some way or offer some program for you to buy or whatever. What we do is we trade our real money. This is my life savings. This is my real money that I trade every day with my friends here, and we share advice. We discuss what's going on in the market. We learn from each other. We support each other when we're up, when we're down, and we commiserate when we're down, and we support when we're up. Hang on, reverse that. You know what I mean. And this is what we're growing for the future. I believe in investing for my future, and this is basically my pension. And I believe this will be 200,000 within 2 years, a year and a half. Is this and piano your job full time? Yes, I'm known as the World Piano Man, and every day I perform live from my studio here, and I have a global audience. That's my main channel, and I do songs for people for special requests and birthdays and stuff like that every day. We have a beer every day. At the end of the trading day, I go live from my TV studio. That's my piano is just behind that big microphone just there. And this is how I earn my living from being live online. This is how I do it. All right. So, yeah. It's pretty cool. And, yeah, right now, though, I don't earn a lot of money. I'm basically investing in my future with stocks and shares. And at the moment, I only earn... I've got 6 months of money saved up, so I don't need to earn any money for 6 months. And this is my savings put into Robinhood to invest for my future. And I've now committed full-time to being in my studio working to try to build an online business with YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and all the rest of it. At the moment, I earn about $30 a week. That's it. Online with YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, all those things. All my this channel here is brand new. TikTok is brand new. Instagram is new, and I'm trying to build it up. And I think the way we're growing, then before my 6 months money runs out, I should be able to turn this into a monetized channel and make a living from working from my studio. All right. So there you go. As you've asked, and as you're interested in my studio, let me show you. This is the Day Trader channel where you are right now. If you look down here, you'll see my main Martyn Lucas music channel. If you click on this and you scroll down, upcoming live streams, you will see these are the shows, the drive home. I call them the drive home shows. Today we're featuring the music of ABBA because ABBA's trending right now. So I'm going to do some ABBA music today, as well as my usual Elton John and so on and so forth. Click on this, in your time zone, it'll tell you what time I'm on, and you can join in the show and have a beer with me and have some fun. So there you go. That's what I do. And I've just turned on my my haze machine so you can see the smoke. There you go. Get a proper view of my studio. Let me show you. Look. There you go. That's the other side of my studio, as you can see. All these cameras are on tracks and they move and so on and so forth. Anyway, we need to get back to the show because that's what we're doing here this morning. But I thought I'd just share with you my studio so you could get a bit of a look there. All right. So if it's your first time here and you want to help support us and be part of it, click the thumbs up button. Help us grow. The thumbs up really makes a difference. It tells YouTube it's a good video. And if you subscribe and ring the bell, turn on notifications, you'll be notified when we do breaking news about stocks breaking. Play a quick tune. Play a quick tune. If the rest of my team say that's okay, I'll play you a quick tune. But I don't want to interrupt our trading. That I do in the main show. If we're only here for another, we're here for another sort of 25 minutes, and if the rest of the team are okay with that, I'll do something for you. But let's see how that we got to concentrate on this on the stocks and shares right now. KK2, the market is up. The market is up tune. Yeah, the market is moving up tune. That would be good, wouldn't it? In fact, let's have a look at it right now. Oh, look at this. In the last hour, oh, look at that. Oh, I'm up. What? Right. Every day we do, hey, Sammy, play us a sing. Hey, what's all that? Don't you mean, hey, Billy, play us a song? Is KK2 still here? Bree's from New Zealand and KK2. I'd love to see if KK2 is still here. But look at that. We're rising. Right. Every day we have a competition too. To see, excuse me, I got an itchy nose this morning. It's all that smoke I've just been pumping out. Yes, of course. Alicia says do a song. Up 1.85. Oh, you beat me. Right, every morning we have a competition. And yes, KK2 is still here. Right, every day we have, and every morning we have a competition who's the top day trader. So put your scores in on your main portfolio, right? I'm up 1.20, which I'm very thankful for. That's $1,000. John Brunette is up 1.85. Okay. Is John the winner this morning? Think about doing Chinese social media like a few friends do. Millions possible subscribers. What's that? Let's have a look. Bill has posted a link for us. Peter Brazier is down 0.85. Let's show some love to Peter Brazier. He's down right now. Hey, Bill, thank you very much for those Chinese sites. I wonder if I could get into those. I'll check them out later on. Thank you very, very much for that. I'll try and get my post onto a Chinese market. Let's see what happens. Peter Brazier is down 0.85. So commiserations to Peter. So anybody else, any advances on 1.85 before we discuss the breaking news and look at the new stocks that we're interested in? John Brunette, it looks like John's the winner. Martin is not here today. Dr. Nathan Smith's not in the house today. We've not seen Dras for a while since NRXP crashed. Do hope he's okay. If he's watching silently from the sidelines, look, we've got no problems, mate. We you know, it's absolutely fine. We'd love you to be here. Bree is up 0.07. Congratulations to Bree. That's a nice motorbike, by the way. What's that you got there? Is it some sort of trials bike? That's cool. He's up 0.07. Right. I'm going to call the winner then. Is John Brunette, who's made $1,000, who's going to buy us all a beer this afternoon on the drive home show when we do a bit of ABBA music. All right, so here we go. Congratulations. There you go. Now remember, the competition is for the day, not the morning. So far he's up, but it's the day that counts. We'll see you back this afternoon, John, and let's see if you can win the day. So far, you just won the morning. It doesn't count. Not yet. Oh, Muzanella's just behind you at 1.42 from Florida. Which exchange do you use? We're on the NASDAQ over here in the US. But what I'm actually using is Robinhood. This is my portfolio. What I'm going to do is in the live chat, I'm going to share more information with all of you. So here is the Robinhood link. I know this isn't much use to you over there in New Zealand. It only works here in the US at the moment. But check it out nevertheless. If you're interested in getting more information from us, JJ, I'm up 1.97. JJ, JJ takes the title back from John Brunette. That's great. We've also got a day trader group. Robinhood is zero commission trading platform. It is. It's absolutely fantastic. I love it. There is the Facebook group. And who wants to now, as of yesterday, I am now on Twitter. The day trader is on Twitter. Look at my handle. Check it out. The day trader 007. Oh, yeah. Oh, 2-2. We have a competition now between JJ and John Brunette. John Brunette has now gone up 2.23. So he's taken it back from JJ. It's a battle backwards and forwards. JJ, welcome. Hey, JJ, we've got some new members to the show today. In fact, we've only got 15 likes. Not everybody new has liked the video yet. Give us a thumbs up, guys, and subscribe and ring the bell. Help to support the channel. Pop. Pooh. It just gone down to 188. So it's a tie between JJ. So I'm going to give JJ an air horn as well. It looks like the two of them together are fighting it out. I'm all over here. Yeah, mine's dropping back as well. Let's go through the shares and look at it. Bitcoin's dropping off again now. Let's go down. McAfee is now up nearly 4%, 3.57. Great day for McAfee today. I'm still down. Not made any money. Carnival bouncing around. What about Pfizer? Pfizer's up 0.25. Harpoon Therapeutics. I'm trying to get out of this. Trying desperately to get out of this crazy investment. Down 35% overall. JJ, he's happy. Lucid Group. Oh, we could have made some big money, John, if we were still in Lucid. Look at that. Going to the moon, 5% again today. Robinhood up 1.89. Rolls-Royce is up 0.3. Up 3%. Let's remember, though, guys, we were up here. That's a bit interesting. We were up 3.92. Oh, that's interesting. We were showing 6%. Now it's only showing 3.92. That may have been incorrect then. I thought that was a big bounce. But anyway, 3.59, I'll still take it, which is 20% up. This is great. SPCE, fantastic. We're nearly at the best position I've been in, up 2.3% this morning. Okay. Now then, here's a little bit of a shout out, guys. I will do a song. I will do a song for our guests. JJ, we had some new people come in today. We had Bree from New Zealand, and we had Southampton, KK2. I will go over to the piano if we can get the likes up to 18, because there's 18 people watching and only 15 likes. If everybody gives me a like, if we get to 18 likes, I will do a song. All right, I will do a quick song at the piano. But we got to get up to. We've got to get up a few more points. All right, we've got 15 likes. If we can get 18 likes, I'll do a song. Is that fair? All right. Live from my studio. There we go. I've turned the haze off for the minute, but I'll turn it back on again. All right. Only 14 watchers. No, it keeps fluctuating. 16, 17. There we go. Let's see. It's all over the place. It's like car stocks and shares. If we can get 18 likes, there's been 18 people here. Right. One more. Yeah. Nearly there. Right, the portfolio. Come on, let's get back to 48,000. 48,000. There we go. There's 16 likes. We're doing well. 2 more likes and we'll do a song. Right. Okay. So, ARGO blockchain. We're talking about ARGO blockchain today. Yes. Yes. Bree Ryan wants to hear something. Right, 17 watching. If we need what? We need 2 more likes, and we're going to go back to the back of the studio and do a song for you. I'm going to get the studio ready. Michael Williams, hi Michael Williams. Smash the like button. We need 2 more likes, and then we're going to do a song. But we need to get to 18 likes. Right, let's look at this. ARGO blockchain, 2 days away. Should we invest in it? Should we invest in it? It might be a good one. Invest in it. It's a whole Bitcoin. A whole cryptocurrency mining company. It's already done well in the UK. It's now come to the US where we have cheaper electricity. So I would suggest it could do well. 17 likes now. 1 more like and we'll go over to the piano and do a song. Right, the markets are up 1.28. This is wonderful news. Let's go through and see what's doing it. Amazon is now moving up again. Johnson & Johnson having a great day, 1.16. Tesla is up 0.89 now. Facebook is up 1%. Apple is up 1%. It's a good day. Coca-Cola up 1.32. AT&T is up. Disney is up nearly 2%. Oh, we're having a good day today. Google is up 1%. Microsoft up 1%. Walmart up 1.1%. Virgin Galactic up nearly 3% now. This is the best we've been in a long time. 1 more like and I'll do a song live here from the studio because there we go. I've got the haze ready. Bree, if you click the share button and invite some of your friends over there in New Zealand to join us, say the World Piano Man is about to sing a song and he'll dedicate a song to me. Maybe, Bree, if you've got a boyfriend or a girlfriend or a husband, wife, mum, dad, somebody you want to dedicate a song to, get them onto the show, get them to like the video, and I will dedicate a song for them, all right? And I'll do it live from my piano. Has anybody got a birthday? Hi, Michael Williams is here. How are you, Michael? Look at this. We're having a great day. Rolls-Royce up now 3.92. That earlier number we gave you must have been incorrect. Okay. Robinhood up nearly 2%, 1.83. This is great. Lucid Group, 7% now. We are seeing huge climbs with Lucid. Absolutely wonderful. I've made $6 on 1 share. Blimey, imagine. But there you go. Harpoon Therapeutics up 0.77. I'm trying to get out with it. Pfizer's having a good day, up 0.93. I'm still down on that one, remember. We're in the profit. We're in the green now with Carnival up 1.4. McAfee is up 4%. Okay, on it. There we go. Bree is on it. So invite some family members. Luke over there. How are you, Luke? And JK. JK, we're friends. On TikTok, we're about to do something really special on my YouTube channel. We've got a new member who's just joined us from from New Zealand, who's inviting his family in. And what we're going to do a live song. I'm known as the World Piano Man, and I'm going to be live in my studio in just a few moments' time. We're going to do a song. But you can't see it on TikTok. You need to go to the profile here and click the YouTube link. You'll see my live shares, you'll see my trading screens, and you'll see the studio, the special event we're about to do for Bree. So Bree's on it. He's clicking share. He's getting his friends in. And Emily, your face looks familiar. I've seen you somewhere before. Emily O, friend of Bree. Friend of Bree. Right, Emily, welcome. Hey, a friend of Bree. Absolutely fantastic. Right, we got 18 likes. Right, now Bree. So, everyone give us a thumbs up, right? We go live here every morning and every day. Let me show you the studio. This is the studio right now. And what we're going to do, I said if we got 18 likes, we would do a song. And we've done it. Bree has shared with his friends. And we have Emily in. So Emily, we are a day trading channel. And every day we trade my real money with a real team, real people, and we're having a great day. Look, the stock market is up, we're making money, and all the rest of it. But also, I'm known as the World Piano Man, and every day, live from my studio, later on in the day, I do a live music show. But because Bree came on from New Zealand, and we said, if you get 18 likes in, we'll do a song. Today, on the Day Trader, we're going to do a song. So this is a bit weird. We've only ever done this once before, but we'll do it right now. So Bree, what music do you like? In fact, what should I do? Beautiful. I love piano and trading. Perfect place for me. There we go. Perfect place. All right. Well, this is the studio. This. I've just put some haze out, so we're ready. Okay. So you keep your eye on the stocks and the shares right now. All right. This is our overall portfolio. Hello, John. Emily, are you from New Zealand too? We've got Alicia, Patricia from Italy, Michael Williams from Michael. You from the UK, aren't you? John's from Canada, Bill's from Canada. Welcome our new team, and make sure everybody is subscribed and rung the bell, and give us a thumbs up. All right. Right. I'm gonna get ready. Let me go and turn the microphone on. All right. All right. I'm the other side of the studio now, because what I'm doing is I'm turning on the. I wonder if you guys in New Zealand. I'll turn the camera around. Look now. Let's see. This is the back of me. This is the front of me. Right. And we can go from different cameras. Let's see. And let's get back to the studio just a minute, so you keep your eye on that. Do you guys like Elton John? Just for the heck of it. I tell you what I'll do. Just to protect this channel, because we've got to be careful, because I don't want copyright on this channel. So totally baited you. What is it? Yeah, Bree said it was an urgent matter of an urgent matter. Check your mic, Martin. Check it. Let's have a look. What was wrong with the microphone? Oh, was it sounding a bit odd? All right, okay. So here we go. We've got 19 likes now. So I'm going to go over to the studio, quick cup of tea, and here we go. You want a bit of Yellow Brick Road? All right. Now, Emily, what I've got to do right now, okay, I've got to be careful, because this channel, we don't want to get a copyright strike on it if I do too much of Elton John. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to do a little bit of my own song. It's Elton John-ish. All right, so you'll like it. Hopefully you'll like it. And if you want to hear me sing Yellow Brick Road, at the end of our trading day, we are on you're on the Day Trader channel right now. Okay? Right? And let's go to the Day Trader. Right? This is where you are right now. You scroll down to here and you find my main music channel. Here is the music channel. You click on that and you see the upcoming live streams. And every day we do a live show. I grab a beer. This is my World Piano Man jacket. And I do all of those songs. I won't tell YouTube. Yeah, but YouTube will know. Right? And if you click on this upcoming live stream, you will see what time this is in your time zone. And you can come back and watch. Now, if you missed the show because you're asleep, then you can rewind it. All right? You can rewind it. Okay? So you might be asleep because you're in the other side of the world, but or it might be really early in the day. I don't know. But go and check it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my own song, and then I'll save the Elton John, Billy Joel stuff to the show later on today. So let's go and do it now then. So I'm going to go over here. All right. There you go. Is there anybody out there for me? Is there anybody out there to share my life? Is there anybody out there for me to love me for what I am, not what I appear to be? Not for money, not for fame, no, not again. This song is especially then for Emily from New Zealand, I presume. I remember many years ago, started here playing my song to the likes of you. I traveled all over the world. I played in every major capital too. As I traveled so far and wide, I found a wife, I made a family. Those days are gone now, I'm home alone again, starting over, trying to make things right. Is there anybody out there for me? Is there anybody out there for me to share my life? Is there anybody out there for me? Oh, to love me for what I am, not what I appear to be. Not for money, not for fame, no, not again. There we go. Right, we'll go back to the studio right now, carry on with the day trading. All right, let's go over here. Turn off the microphone. Turn the light back on again. There we go. All right. So that's just a little bit of a taster for you. I hope you enjoyed that. That was fun. That was fun. So there you go. Love as always, wonderful song. Right, the World Piano Man is singing a song for me. Yes. So Emily, what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to invite you to the show this afternoon. Here is the link. I'm going to put it for you in the live chat. Now, this is what we could do, because I know the people of of New Zealand are party people, like the Australians, right? They like to have a beer and a party. There's the link for you. If you go there, what we could do, we're doing a bit of ABBA today. Billy Joel, Elton John, but some ABBA day as well. We're doing a bit of ABBA as well. We've had some requests for it. If you share that with your friends, in fact, this might be not a perfect time for you. So if you can get together, you and your friend, all right, if you can get with Bree, some New Zealand people together, maybe family, friends on a big TV, because YouTube broadcasts in 4K, right? You can watch it on the big TV. You get all your friends around, all right? Get all your friends around. They all need to be on their own phones, on their own YouTube account, so they can chat with me. I will do a party for all of my friends in New Zealand. I really fancy that. I've never done a gig there. Done a gig close there. I went on a cruise ship past New Zealand, but never landed there. So if you have someone has a birthday or a special event, or you just want to get drunk and have a laugh, let me know. Come to the show today or watch that link there. You can watch it on the replay. And I'll do something specially for you. Just because you came in my show and gave me a thumbs up. We got 19 likes now. Right, let's get back to the day trading. That's what we're here to do today. And thank you for both of you for being part of that. That was a lot of fun. And if you didn't like that voice, that was my own voice. I do 14 different voices. I do impressions, so I can sing in different voices. The place you cruised by but never stopped at. There you go. Yep. Right, let's have a look. We've started to see a drop What's going on? We've got a bit of a sell-off again now. Everyone's made some money, and now everyone's selling off again. It's Bitcoin just dropping back. There we go. Yeah, there were some profits to be made this morning, but we're seeing a bit of a sell-off again now. But SPCE, yeah, that's done it as well. Everything is now selling off again. I said to you there would be a recovery, but it won't. This isn't the recovery that's going to be there, full time. We've got a bit of a way to go. Another couple of weeks before we start seeing things recover. Once we get into October, we'll see things recover. Emily says, shall I put her name on the screen? There we go. There you are. You're famous now. There's Emily. Sounds like a plan, Martin. Mine's in November. Would be cool because we're locked down. Might still be in November. Well, why don't we do your birthday in November? But but why not? Why not have a party before then? Just for any reason. For any reason whatsoever. Right, Argo blockchain. Check out, right. I'm going to do it. I'm on it right now for you, mate. ARBKF. Right. That's not... that ARBKF is not in Robinhood. That's the UK version. Let's do it, she says. Brilliant. Not in Robinhood. No, it's not. Unfortunately, it's not. But Argo blockchain is. But if we look at it, if I do look at that one, here we go. Last 5 days. Yeah, look, it's doing really good. It's doing really well. The last 5 days, up 11%. XRP, up 4.63. It's doing great. And this is the same company that's coming to the US. So I would anticipate that Argo blockchain isn't going to do half bad because the UK version is doing great and it's cheaper electricity here in the US. So I would anticipate that Argo blockchain will do even better here in the US. So it could be good. But if you want it, but am I going to get my money out? I'm not. It's a 30-day. I'll be exempt from a 30-day. Robinhood will penalise me if I buy the pre-IPO. So it's a difficult one, but I think it could do well. XRP. Let's have a look at this one. Oh, we've had some interest in this before. Robinhood supports only real-time market data for Ripple. Let's have a look at this. This is an interesting one. Something odd with this stock. First time I see XRP. Yes, there is something very odd. If you look at Robinhood, it doesn't give you all the information. Commission-free cryptocurrency invest in Robinhood. That's just talking about Robinhood. I don't no idea why they're going on about that. But unavailable. Yeah, this is a bit strange. No volume. No, nothing. No information on it at all. I've not seen anything like that before. It IPO'd here, it looks like, but I can't tell. It IPO'd for 3 cents. I think XRP is currently involved in a lawsuit. Yeah, there's something very peculiar with this. Look at it. I mean, oh, it's locked. Is that what it is? It's locked. Yeah. That's bizarre. Why? Got mine first in August 2020. Yeah, look, Ripple is falling off a cliff right now. It's yeah. What did you pay? You got your first. You got yours in August 2020. So let's have a look. You would have bought around about August 2020. Yeah, so I guess you've made some money. You've made some money. You bought it around here, did you? Ran at 32. It's now 93. I'd sell it. If you can sell it now, sell it. Get out. Probably around 20 cents US dollar. Yeah, that's what I was guessing. Emily, can you sell it right now? Are you in a position to sell it? I would certainly sell that. There's something very odd with that. You're up. It's dropping back. It's going to keep going down. I would get out of it, personally. I don't think she can. She can't sell it. It's locked because of a lawsuit. Yeah. Well, I mean, it's still trading. Look, it's just moved up. That's interesting. Bitcoin just fell off a cliff and started to recover again. That's why my overall portfolio is down. Yeah, I'm sorry, Emily. I'm not sure what you can do about that. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, but I have some experience in this, as all our members of the Day Trader do. I wouldn't ever suggest. I could, yes, but everyone around me are firm believers. I'm conflicted. Lots of people are firm believers in something until it goes wrong. Lots of people are firm believers in stocks, coins, all kinds of things that they don't fully understand. My theory is this. It's not the value of the stock which makes it interesting. I know this is very cheap. It's a very cheap stock. Cheap doesn't mean good. Cheap just means it's cheap. You are able, with certain brokerages, like Robinhood, for example, I know you can't have that in New Zealand, but there must be other ones that you can, where you can fractionally share. So you can buy a piece of something. Would you rather $100 of Ripple or $100 of Amazon or Apple or Microsoft or Tesla, for example? Well, you could fractional share. Now you might say, yeah, but I only own 0.02% of Apple or Microsoft or whatever. But you own a small piece of a really good company as opposed to a lot of rubbish. I don't mean rubbish disrespectfully, but no track record, no global success, no volume, just trending on memes, trending on Reddit, trending on Twitter, hoping it could be a get-rich scheme. And it could be. It's like someone recently brought out a coin called Dinky Donk, I think it was called. Somebody actually invented a coin called Dinky Donk, and people bought into it, and they made some money, and then they lost some money. The point is, if you blink and you leave your account for a month, 6 months, you're in hospital, you can't take care of your account. Does it all go to zero? It could do. If I went into hospital tomorrow and I was having an operation and I couldn't take care of my account for 6 months, a year, where do you think my Amazon would be, my Microsoft would be, my Apple would be? I'm telling you, it'd be up. So I could relax and not worry. Everything else could be anywhere, all over the place. So if your philosophy, if your goal is to try to become a millionaire in 5 minutes, if your goal is, hey, let's make some money on something which could blow up, then put a little bit on something wild and crazy. Why not? It's like buying a lottery ticket. It's like my Harpoon Therapeutics. I put 1.76% of my portfolio on it. Absolutely ridiculous, on the floor, but it could suddenly pop, like your Ripple could, then fine. Buy at the top of the pyramid of your investment plan, buy a lottery ticket, buy a Ripple, buy 1% of your portfolio, but don't do what Drass has done, one of our friends here, all his portfolio, 100% of his stock invested in NRXP. He's losing a fortune right now. Have a little go at some volatile stocks. Buy a lottery ticket. Put $1 on something. But just 1% of your portfolio. That might not be $1. That might be $1 million if you're a billionaire. But it doesn't matter. Put 1% of it. Right? You ask the question, Dogecoin. I don't believe in Dogecoin. Elon Musk is a very wealthy man, and he likes playing the markets because he can manipulate the markets. That's why Dogecoin has done well, because Elon Musk has played with it. He's a rich man pulling puppet strings. He can manipulate the market, so even if it's rubbish, the value can go up. But if you blink and you don't understand it, and 6 months later you come back, what's happened to your coin? What's happened to it? Has it gone to zero? Whereas, let me show you my portfolio. I've grown this portfolio from $5,000 to $52,000 in 5 months. I started with $5,000. All my money's out now. I'm now working on profits. This is my real money. Right now, we're in a dip. This was what happens in September. But just a while ago, we were at nearly 52, 51.2. All right, I was at more than that because I keep taking money out, right? And I've grown that from 10 stocks. I've grown that from Amazon, Johnson & Johnson, Tesla, Facebook, Apple, Coke, AT&T, Disney, VTI, Google. Then I move outside, and these have all done well. Microsoft, McDonald's, Walmart. Virgin Galactic now is one of my speculative stocks, but it's only what is it currently? It's a small part of my portfolio. It's one of the biggest stocks I have, but it's still underneath my 20% limit, right? But what's underpinned and stapled my portfolio more than anything else, the most secure asset on the planet is Bitcoin. Even though it's dropped today, this is an asset. Now, I'm a very small trader. I've only got 1,500 people who watch me on my channel. I can't influence anything. I'm not an influencer. You know, no one listens to me. All right, I can't influence the market, and like some of the big channels, like BitBoy does. BitBoy comes on and tells you to buy Bitcoin. Everyone buys it and the price goes up. He can control it. He manipulates it for himself. I can't do that. I'm a small guy, right? But this is my real money, my real future, my real pension. So that's what I would be doing. Billionaire playing with us. Yeah. My thinking slightly varies and is based on Warren Buffett's style. Basically, small investments are pointless. Find something that you think will go up and make a major investment. Not yet, Emily. I'll take it off your hands. I'll trade with you. I'm trying to help. Breeze smiling. You can trade in on many platforms, including KuCoin. Yes. XRP has been involved in a lawsuit for a while, and in my personal opinion, they will be playing a hefty fine and move up from here. Look, everyone, that's what this channel is about, right? This channel is about opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. We are opinion. We are a family who come together every day to discuss the market. And from this, you will learn from everybody and take out what's right for you. 5,000 to 47 notifications are on. Brilliant. Yeah, this is, you know, but let me tell you how the principle, how I've grown it, right? And why I've grown it, right? I started touring an entertainer when I was 16 years of age. I've performed in 195 countries. I built up a business. When I left school, I borrowed some money. I had to borrow money to get some equipment to start and so on and so forth. Only borrow money once. Borrow money to build your business and then reinvest your profits. I didn't start investing in this portfolio until I paid my mortgage off, my car loan, my credit cards and everything, because they are costing me more than I can make on this. And they are making this vulnerable. If I need money to pay the mortgage or whatever, and I have to sell what I'm down, that's not the way to invest. I paid the mortgage off, I paid the credit card off, paid the car loan off, now I start investing. I've got 6 months of savings ahead of me, so I don't need to spend this money. So in the dip now, I don't need this money, I'm buying the dips. I'm letting things recover. It makes it so I can't lose. Remember, you only lose when you sell when you're down. I've sold a couple of times and I've made some mistakes. The last few weeks I sold GSAT, Lucid. I sold it on emotion, fear of missing out. Big mistake. Now I'm trying to stand back and just let it wash over me, because when those days happen and you buy into a trend and you buy into an emotion, 9 times out of 10 you lose. Because when you see the market shooting up and you buy in, you've already missed it. You want to be in before it shoots up, not as it's shooting up, because any minute now it's going to go down, drop back down again, because people are going to sell out. So why this channel, I think, has grown so quickly in just 7 weeks. Look, if you look at the channel, I want to show you, we've grown from 0 to 1,400 subscribers in just what's happening with that? What's happening with that in 7 weeks? There we go. 1,400 subscribers is because it's not what I'm doing. It's what you guys are doing in the chat. We're all sharing honestly our real money. I mean, John will come on today and say he's made $1,000. He'll share with you and tell you. Doesn't care. You know he's made $1,000. Some people are secretive about that. Oh, I can't tell you how much I've made. Well, who cares? It's just a number. But you can learn from John, and you think, oh, John seems to know what he's doing. Listen to him. But don't copy John. Learn from John and see what he does and how it applies to you. Because everyone's situation is completely different. If everybody copied me, they would not have gone from 5,000 to 52. None of them. Because you do it differently at a different time, and it would make no sense. And your objectives are different and your feelings are different. So we've all got to do our own thing. But I mean, I made a lot of money. Well, I made some money on Lucid because of John. John introduced me to Lucid, and I wouldn't touch it for ages. And then I did and learned about it, and I made some money. That was because of John. Well, he's actually withdrawn some. I've actually withdrawn a lot from my portfolio, so it's more. At least you don't have any XRP like Emily. I lost over 10,000 in the last few weeks, but I laugh it off. Remember, John Brunette hasn't lost $10,000 until he sells those shares that he's lost money on. I see days like this, last couple of weeks, opportunities to make money. Normally, I'd be buying. See my buying power? Don't think I've got $38,000, by the way. That's leverage. I never use leverage. Margin available. Robinhood want to give me $37,000 to invest on the stock market. But the moment it goes down by a certain percentage, they will do what's called a margin call. And they will sell shares from underneath me without asking me to recover their money. And the market goes up and down. Unless you are God and you can predict the future, never, ever use margin. Don't borrow money to make money. That's my opinion. Because even if you get it right, you need balls of steel. Because when you get emotional and stressed, you do the wrong thing every single time. And if you suddenly start dropping and you know that they are going to take away your money, you're going to be fearful and you're going to sell shares you shouldn't. So there you go. All right, family, I'm off to sleep now. See you another time. Emily, thank you ever so much for being here. Let's give some love and thank you very much, Emily. They are sneaky. See you, Emily. Sleep well. Thanks for being, Emily. Look forward to you having your birthday party here live on the show. We'll do something for you. There we go. Emily and Bree, our new guest today from the Netherlands. I keep saying that. New Zealand. Great to have you here. It's been a good day today. We've seen some recoveries. ARGO blockchain, we're getting close to it now. Are we going to invest in it? This is the ARGO blockchain. This is what they're doing over in the UK right now. They're doing well. Everybody else is dropping down, but ARGO blockchain is doing well. Should we invest in it? This is it. Probably. I can't tell you what to do. Let's have a look. Bitcoin has recovered slightly. Let's look at my overall portfolio. It's dropped back, but we're still up 0.5%. Darn, everything crashing again. Yes. I got a number of friends watching me over there. How do you not know about what's happening with XRP and you're sure you're a crypto trader? R1 Woody. Because the simple answer to that, there's a million things in the world to know, and I focus on what I need to know. Do I know everything? No. Do you know everything? Obviously you think a crypto trader should know everything. Well, I'm impressed with you that you know everything. I personally don't know everything, and the more I learn, I don't know. And I don't know anything about XRP because I'm not looking at it. I'm not interested in it. I'm focused on Bitcoin. I know about Bitcoin. I'm very happy with Bitcoin. But yeah, I mean, there's thousands of stocks. I have no idea what they are. And I don't ever profess to know everything. And I think it's better to admit you don't know everything, but there you go. Just straightening my shirt there for a minute. That's better. So, yeah, I don't know. Are you sure you're a crypto trader? Well, I invest on Bitcoin. This is my Bitcoin position. This is my real money. I'm not BitBoy influencing the market. I'm not George influencing the market. Michael Saylor. Yeah. John Brunette. I won't repeat that out. But I think it's important just to be honest. I started to think, should I be confrontational? But I think it's important to be honest and just be fair. And I think that's fair, right? It's fair. Someone telling me that call yourself a crypto trader if you don't know about every single crypto. No, I don't know about anything. I know what I invest in, and that's Bitcoin. It's very funny, actually. I do get a lot of teachable moment. Yeah, I do actually get a lot of people on YouTube. They have to find you. And they have to take a time to find you. They tend to be nicer. TikTok serves it to everyone. TikTok shows everyone. And I often get people come into TikTok who like to have a go at you, tell you off. And it kind of surprises me, if I'm honest, because you came in here of your own free will, and then you come in and have a go at someone. I mean, are you on TikTok just to find someone you can tell off? I mean, look in the mirror, shout at yourself. I mean, you might as well. People need to realize this is for entertainment purposes only. Yep, it is. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not charging you for my time, am I? Is anybody paying me for my time? I don't think so. you could all switch off and I'd still be here talking to myself. I'd prefer you not do that, obviously. But I'd like to see Crypto Kid play the piano like you. Maybe he plays the piano better than me. I don't know. I'm sure millions of people play the piano better than me, and that's all fine as well. All right. Oh, John, are we having a tough time right now? Hey, didn't we do well today? 19 likes, no down likes, and in fact, we've had no down likes, have we? People have played a game, down liked it, then up liked it again. We've never had a down like on the show. Part of the YouTube family now. Please remove me from the TikTok box. Yeah, there you go. You're out of the TikTok. Yeah. Do you know what I mean, though, Bree? Do you know what I mean, though? You have to make the effort to come into YouTube. You have to make the effort. And you choose to engage in me. TikTok serves it to everybody. I get all sorts of stuff. But, do you know, when I first started, Bree, I used to be offended and upset. Because people would come on and swear at you. Who the hell are you coming on here talking about Bitcoin? What do you know about it? Well, I mean, I don't. I'm just a bloke on the internet who's plugged in my studio and decided to invest in Bitcoin. I'm sharing the world my position. This is what I've got in Bitcoin. I'm not lying. I'm telling you the absolute truth. There it is. There's my real money. If it goes to zero right now, you'll see me lose all my money. I mean, do you need a better, honest, could you have a better, more honest, open approach? I mean, I don't think so. But you can see, look, I've made $1,647 profit. Enough. He never claimed to be a crypto man. The best piano man and an honest man. I'm a big fan of XRP. He doesn't have to be. Hey! Mujanella sticking up for me. I love it. This is brilliant. This is what I like. This is what this channel's about, right? Let's all make some money. Let's all have a laugh. Let's all have a beer at the end of the day. Let's make friends around the world. Learn about investing. Learn from each other. I love it. I'm gonna share that on the screen. Enough. He never claimed to be a crypto man, the best piano man, and an honest man. I'm a big fan of XRP. He doesn't have to be. I tell you what, I got some great footage today that I want to use, because later on I'm going to cut up these videos. Oh yeah, I've got some news for you all. All right, in the next couple of weeks, things are going to be different. I'm not going to be here as much. Things are going to be different. I'm having the studio refurbished. It's going to take a month. So I'm going to be sort of doing on location sort of videos because the studio is going to be shut down. So so why it's important to ring the bell. Oh, thank you very much. About Poor sent me a rose. Somebody on TikTok just gave me a tip. Someone on TikTok just gave me a tip. There you go. There's some nice people in the world, right? And Paul Knight Piper, a real name, a real person, just followed me as well and gave me a tip. There you go. I love it. And another tip. Sent another rose. There we go. Love it. And another one. I don't know what they're worth. They're worth a couple of cents. You know, every time they give you a rose, it's worth something. It's like a little tip. How could the studio look any better than it is now? Mind-boggling. Well, we have to update things, improve things. So I'm probably going to come from you. I'm probably going to come live from a beach or on top of a mountain or somewhere. But I'm going to post content. So videos are going to come out. We're going to keep on top of the market. I don't want to just, even though I'm confident of my portfolio, and I believe I could leave it for 6 months, or in this case, a month. I'm not going to. And I'd miss talking to you guys, but it's just going to be different. So make sure that you've rung the bell for that, otherwise you'll miss all that. Only just joined your channel. Paul Knight and About Poor, they are supporting me. So So I invite both of you, if you click the profile here right now, I have got the most amazing family in the YouTube, and you can see my trading screens, and you can see the studio, and you can see the real money. On here, you can only see my face. So click the profile link right here. See that little link right just there? Click that, and behind that is my YouTube link. And you will be in my YouTube live chat within 3 seconds. You click it, YouTube, click it, and you'll be there. All right, come on in, meet my family, and I'll introduce you to the whole team, and I will share with you my real money, my real trades, and then what music do you play? And then Paul, I'll do something for you, especially for you, if you come into the YouTube channel. All right? I'm known as the World Piano Man. I've won the title of World Piano Man, and I'll do something, but yeah, got to come into YouTube, right? So click the profile here, click the YouTube link, jump in, and I'll do something for you. All right, let's go back to our stocks and shares. Starting to pick up again now, John, so don't worry, mate. Bitcoin looks like it's crashing, eh? Yes, it does. Bitcoin does, but I'm not concerned. I bought in at 33. It's too now deep ingrained. I can't seem to find the link. You just click the profile, click my icon, and there's the YouTube link. There's the YouTube link right on my profile on TikTok. You can't miss it. Everyone comes in every day, and you'll find me. You can do it. I believe in you. Bree said, "How could the studio look any better? That is than it is now. Mind-boggling. A month is going to take. Loon looks like Emily's got to go to get a brand new studio party. Yeah, she is. If you do it from the kitchen, you could peel a tomato. There you go. I'll do it from the kitchen. Peel a tomato, and I'll become a TikTok sensation. We're waiting to see if Paul Knight can come in. What kind of music do you play? You'll see. I'll show you in a minute. Let's see if he comes in. About Paul in the house, everybody. A new member. There we go. Right. Should we give About Paul the initiation? Shall we give him the initiation? Shall we tell him all about it? All right. This is the studio. See, now you can see the back of my studio. So About Paul, where are you from? Tell us first of all where you're from. What part of the world you're in. This is my Bitcoin position right now. And this is my portfolio. I promised I'd show you. So there it is. Bitcoin. Sorry. About Paul. Everybody, welcome. We got Bree from New Zealand. We got John from Canada. I'm from the UK, but I'm now based in Texas. We got Bill from Canada. A lot of Canadians here for some reason. Don't know what's going on there. Germany. Ich kann nicht sprechen Sie Deutsch sehr gut. Mein Name ist Martin und ich bin ein Pianola-Spieler. Mein Name ist Martyn Lucas von England. Dankeschön, guten Abend, guten Morgen to About Paul. Welcome. Mein Name is Daniel. There you go, look at that. I spoke a bit of German. Are you impressed, everybody? Are you impressed? Someone's going to come on now and say, hey, are you an expert on speaking German? My best friend was the drummer in Musical Youth. Pass the Dutchie on the left hand side. Brilliant. Paul Knight Piper. I know there's a lawsuit. I know there's a lawsuit at the moment. Yeah, that's to do with the XRP. I bought it when it was 30 pence a share. Paul Knight. All right. Yes. Right. Hang on a minute. Right. Look. Here we go. This is my studio. I'm just showing my friend from Germany who just came over from TikTok. This is absolutely brilliant. There you go. Look at that. You don't have to doctorate. You don't have a doctorate in languages. How dare you? Yeah, I know. I'm not an expert in languages. Maybe I should put a clause on the show. I am not an expert in languages. Please do not sue me. even though I tried to speak a bit of German. All right. So about Paul, I said to you, and Paul Knight. So we got about Paul has just come over from TikTok. So Paul Knight, if you come over, I'll do your song for you, right? About Paul is from Germany. He has a studio in Digbeth, Birmingham city centre. Oh, cool. Well, I'm from the UK. Let me show you my studio then. You can't see my studio, Paul. Come over to YouTube. Just click the profile, click the icon, and then YouTube's right behind it. I will show you my studio, and I will do Pastor Dutchie from Musical Youth at my piano. Right, we're going to go over to Lucid Group now. Got breaking news. Lucid now is up 10%. Lucid is on fire, and John, this looks amazing. Look how much money we've lost here, John. In Lucid, I can't believe it. I can't believe how much money we've lost in this. We've lost so much money. Have a good one. See you tomorrow. Bree, take care. Take care of yourself, mate. Lovely to have you here. There's Bree, a great guy. Popped in from Bree, and he brought it from New Zealand, and he brought his friend in as well, Emily. Absolutely brilliant. Lucid. Seriously. There we go. Look at that. See you, Bree. There we go. If what's your favourite music, Daniel? What do you like? What do you like? We're looking at. Don't you wish, John, we were in it? Don't you wish we were in it? Stocks are recovering. We've got shares in other things. Don't worry about it. We've got the money in something else. I'm waiting. I'm seeing. I still can't find, but my screen is cracked. Oh. Okay, look. Dance hall and reggae. Dance hall and reggae. Oh, blimey. Reggae tone. There is nothing. Someday it'll be $700. Oh, blimey. We have time to get back in. But you know, Martin, you know, John, we shouldn't buy on this bounce. We know we shouldn't. You know we shouldn't do that. Look at this. We're up past week. This would be look. You really want to buy now? All that growth, and you want to buy back in now? But like you say, you know, it's I still can't find, but my screen's going that weird. No, we have to get back. Nope. Yeah. So this just tells you the growth that is there in Lucid. I think you want to wait for another dip though. But if I invest in that now, then I'm out of Rivian, and you know, money on the side is good. I can't sell anything else because everything else is down. Paul Knight, if you can't see it because your screen is cracked, go to YouTube and type the day trader Martyn Lucas. The day trader. Can I write it in? I wonder if I can put in the link here. I just thought of something. I might even be able to put the link for you. I've never done this before. I'm going to try and help Paul Knight out because he's got a friend from Musical Youth. All right. Here we go. There is the show right now. There is the show right now. Share. Copy link. I'm going to see if I can give it to him in the live chat. No. TikTok doesn't do links. But if you go to the day trader, Martyn Lucas, then you'll find me. But it's a shame you can't click on that link. Just go to my profile. It's right in the center. I wish I could show you. Or I could even show him how it looks. Right, here we go. Look, can you see that? Look, this is my profile of my channel. Can you see it? Can you see the YouTube link right there, look? Can you see it? The little YouTube icons right on the screen, look. There you go. I can't make it any clearer than that. There's nothing more I can do. I've done my best. I've done my best. Sorry, everybody else who's looking on YouTube. There, see, look, John. You see how it's dipping there? Now, imagine if we just bought there. First time I watch you today. Tell me your favorite cryptos. I only invest in one. I only believe in two. I believe in Bitcoin and I believe in Ethereum. For the future, forever, for safe investment, for assets, real-time investment, where you could go away, come back in a year, and you'd be up, where you don't have to be worried about trends or memes or stuff like that. So I don't have anything invested currently in Ethereum, but I am invested with Bitcoin. This is my Bitcoin position. I invested, currently worth 7,809. It's dropped from 10,000. My profit is up 26.92%, 1.5 grand. It's 16.5% of my portfolio. There it is. So that's what I believe in. Everything else, I don't see the point. I don't see that there is a need for the internet to have 50 million different types of coins. Ultimately, I don't see the point. You might disagree, and lots of people do, but that's fine. I'm just looking for a steady long-term growth, and you can share by removing the @ Oh, is that right? Apparently, you can share by removing the @ All right. I didn't know that. I'll add a comment. I'll try again. Oh, Paul Knight is right. Paul Knight, he said he subscribed. Paul Knight, subscribe now. Thank you. Right, we'll come into the live show. He subscribed to the channel, but he ain't watching it. Right, we'll come into the live show. Come into the live show. There we go. Let's see if he does it. Yeah, you can share the link, but it's not clickable. You can share by removing the @ Yeah, I did it, but it's not clickable though. Right, so now we'll see if he comes into the live show. So that's my Bitcoin position about Port. That's what I think. We've got 19 likes now. Can we get another like? Let's try and get 20. 20 would be great. Bitcoin is now dropping again, folks. Let's try and get to 20 likes. Then YouTube will start showing our video to more people once we get over 20. So appreciate that. If Paul King comes in, I've got to sing Pass the Dutchie on the piano because I promised I would. And I've never sung it before in my entire life. Right. My overall portfolio, see look, even though with all of this, my portfolio is growing. So even though I am 54, not very up to date. All right, you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Well, if you're in my YouTube channel, it's the upcoming live stream. I'm trying to help this chap. He's 54, but hey, I'm 53, 52, 53. I always forget how old I am. I think I'm 53. No, I'm 52. Yeah, I'm 52. It's like, how old am I? Right, okay. So this is the Day Trader channel, right, on YouTube. Is this where you are? You're on this, are you? Okay. So you just scroll down and you see the live video. There it is. It's live. Just come into it. It's live right there. You click on it and you'll be in the live chat. That's all there is to it. He can do it. I'm sure he can do it. You look 42. Do I look 42? Well, thank you very much, John. You cheeky little man. You're 42. Right. Stocks are dropping again now. Paul! Paul Knight is here. Everybody welcome Paul Knight. Give him a thumbs up. Everybody give Paul Knight a thumbs up. He's here in the live chat. Right, there we go. Paul, got to help me out now, mate. We got 19 likes. If you want me to go to the piano and do Pass the Dutchie on the piano, you need to click the thumbs up button. We got 19 likes right now. We need at least 20 likes and I'll do it. 37,000 incoming from Bitcoin. I don't think so. Thank you all. What part of the world are you from, Paul? All my team, welcome Paul Knight. He's new to the show. So, if you can't comment, oh yes he can. He's commenting. Of course he can. See the thumbs up button, Paul? Give me a thumbs up. Let me show you the studio. Now you can see my studio. There you go. This is the TV studio where we are right now. There you go. Hi, Paul. Kate, Warwickshire. I was born in Evesham. You know Evesham? Worcestershire? Just down the road from you, my friend. I was born in Evesham, Worcestershire. I grew up in Cornwall, and I now live in Texas. Bitcoin is now dropping big time, guys. Don't worry about it. Don't be concerned. Quite diversified. Right, we got 19 likes. We got to go over 20 likes if you want to see me sing Pass the Dutchie, because Paul Knight has just come in and his friend is the drummer. He can't see the thumbs up button. It's right under the video next to the share and like, and it's like it's right there. You can't miss it. Shall I show you? Hey, you don't have to worry about this, Paul. YouTube is not always that easy. Right. Close the live chat. You've got the live chat open on your phone. See, if you've got that, let me share on the screen. All right. If you've got that on your phone, right, that's what you've got, right? You can't see the thumbs up. Click the cross and close the live chat. So click the live chat. Right, there you go. And now there's the video. And see the thumbs up button? There's the thumbs up button. You can see it now. Once you click, get rid of the live chat. Brilliant. All right. So look at Bitcoin right now, dropping. But this is what's happening now, guys. People are fearful and people are selling out all over the place, and the whales will buy back in. Where is like Lawrence is over on TikTok. We're talking to my friends on YouTube. That's where you can see we're trading the trading screens in my Bitcoin position. If you want to join us, you click the profile link here, click the icon, click the YouTube link, and you'll be into YouTube, and you'll see up my trading screens, and you'll see everything that we're doing. 19 now, 20. There you go, Paul. You've done it. You're a legend. You've done it. You're in the live chat. You've clicked like. Oh my God. This means I've got to go and sing Pass the Dutchie. I don't even know it. Right. I won the award of World Piano Man. I've done 195 countries, toured all over the world. And every day I go live from my TV studio here. And I do the day trader in the morning, in the afternoon. And then in the evening, 10 o'clock your time in the UK, I do a live request show. And we grab a beer every day and we do it. So just for you, Paul, as a friend of a musical youth, right, I'm going to attempt, this is going to be crazy, right? I've never done it. Okay, let's go over to my studio and let's try and do Pass the Dutchie on the piano. All right, okay, let's try it. All right. Okay, can you hear me? Okay, so here we go. Hang on a minute. This is going to be mental. Okay, so here we go. Pass the Dutchie on the left hand side. Pass the Dutchie on the left hand side. Hang on. Hang on a minute. That's not working right. I don't like that. That's better. Do we all remember this from the 80s in England? Do you all remember this? It was like the musical youth. They were like they sort of changed the world with their reggae music. I don't really know it, but I'm doing it for Paul just because he's so nice and he came in the show. Pass the jeep on the left hand side. Diddly boopy diddly 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 bum bum diddly 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 bum bum. Pass the jeep on the left hand side. Diddly boopy boopy diddly diddly bum bum bum. Do you remember that stuff? All right. See, that's not really my thing. This is my thing. She packed my bags last night for flight. That's my thing. 0 hour. Or maybe a bit of, when you sing us a song, you're the piano man. That's what I do. But you know, just for the crack of it. Party to jeep on the left hand side. Party to jeep on the left hand side. Dicky bookie cookie boopy boopy bum 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 diddly diddly. Do you remember they went sort of diddly 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 bum bum diddly bum bum bum. I'm sorry about this, folks. We're supposed to be doing a day trader show. Let's get back to the show. We had to do it because, you know, Paul came in. So if you want to hear me sing properly, you know, I can do lots of different voices. Look, I'll do a few voices for you. Acid trees are green, red roses too. Look into my eyes, you'll see. Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars. Goodbye, England's rose, may you ever. Oh, my love, my darling. All right, that's enough. Enough of this silliness now. Party to jeep on the left hand side. Diggy bum beep 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 bum diddly dum bum bum. Diddly 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 bum 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 bum. All right, we've had enough, right? We've had enough. We've had enough. All right. All right. Well, that was all right, wasn't it? Love it. What a talent. Lawrence, you're not seeing anything. You've got the back of my head. So what's your prediction, buddy, on this drop? Love it. Hey, Lawrence, you can't watch it like that. You're on TikTok. You're on my phone watching the back of my head. What are you seeing? Right. Click the profile link here. Right behind there is my icon, the YouTube icon. Click it and you'll be into YouTube and you'll see what that was about. I'm crying with laughter. Do you remember though? Diddly 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 bum 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 bum. It's like crazy, wasn't it? All right, we got 20 likes. We deserve more than that. Has everybody liked the video? Flipping X's sake. I mean, seriously, I've whatever. We're losing money. Look, we're up 0.1 now. Oh dear, it's Bitcoin, everybody. Bitcoin is crashing. I'm not worried about it though. I'm not worried about it at all. Martin mashup, LOL. All right. So let's see if Lawrence and Travis come over. That would be brilliant. So let's for the benefit of Paul and about Paul, I'll just tell you what we do right here. We go live here every morning for the opening and closing bell. Real people, real money, trading our Bitcoin, trading our stocks and shares. Basically, we're trying to build a portfolio to $200,000 in 2 years, which is I'm on target to do for my pension. That's why we're here. That's what it's all about. And we do that in the morning and the afternoon. This is the day trader where you are now. I hope you've all subscribed and support me because I do it all for free. I don't get paid to do it. We're here to get together. And then on the day trader, scroll down and you'll find my other channels. Look, these are my other channels, what I do. But the main one is the Martyn Lucas channel. You click on that, you scroll down, and you will see upcoming live streams. And every day we do the drive home show. We have a live party. We grab a beer after we've traded all day. So go into here and you can leave a request. You can go into the live chat right now, and this is where we are. If you click on it, we're doing some ABBA music today. See it? If you click on that, you can then find out what time it is in your time zone, and you can join us for the end of the day party. All right. Well, we're just about coming to the end of the show. An extended show today. What's up with Ken? I don't know. Not heard from him for a while. I think he's got some family issues he's dealing with. Speaking of Cyclops, Martin Ratatouille. I wonder what About Paul made of that. He likes dance music. I could do dance music. I've got all the mixing pads and the drum machines and here as well. Maybe I tell you what, I'll do that. If I'm not going to do it now, but if About Paul comes into the show, if About Paul comes in tomorrow, I will set off my my keyboard, and I will do some dance music for you. I will do some techno and house and beat music for you. I do a lot of arranging, so I can do that. Sounds fantastic. I was adopted by a stock commodity broker, Sinclair Commodities. What do you mean, Paul? Sounds fantastic. I was adopted by a stock commodity broker, Sinclair Commodities. Is that the Sinclair C5? I don't like blooming dance music. It's not really my thing, but nor's reggae, to be honest. But I gave it a go. But I want to just do a little bit for everybody. All right. So if About Paul fancies a bit of that, then we'll have a bit of fun with that. All right. Great stuff. Okay. Well, we're coming to the end of the show. Let's have a quick look across all our stocks. Amazon is now dropped. So we had basically what we had this morning, what I said was going to happen. We had a recovery and people took profits because at the moment we keep dropping. So every time it spikes, people sell off, it drops down again. It's a way for everyone to make profits. But remember, they're making profits while the fearful sell. That's how all this works. So you've got a choice. You can buy the dips, sell the peaks, keep doing that. But it's difficult to time the market. You can't do it. Me and you can't do it. Regular guys can't do it. We don't have the technology. We don't have the inside information that the big institutions have. So for me, I don't try and do that. What I'm trying to do is catch the catch the overall trend, and things are going to move back up again. See, now here's an example with Lucid Group. Look, you see, it dropped back. Now it's growing again. So now's a better time to buy. Not when it was up here. It was up at 9%. Now it's down at 7%. Bit of movement again there. But I'm keeping money on hand right now. Celtic Thunder. Oh, you like a bit of Celtic Thunder? How does that go? What sort of style of music is that? That name it rings a bell. I'm trying to think of it. What style of music is that? I'll try and learn some for you. Pfizer looked down 0.35. Carnival is down 1.2. McAfee is still up, holding. Bitcoin is having a terrible day. No, it was stockbroking company. Oh, gold, silver, potatoes, etc. I have seen people panic on a Friday night and become millionaires Monday morning. Absolutely. Oh. Yeah, that won't happen for me. I will have a steady growth, and the thing is, if my money was sat in the bank, I'd be earning 0.01%, wouldn't I? And right now, despite all of this crashing around me, I'm still up 4.37. So at the end of the day, is it where I was? No. Will it return? Yes. So just sit it out. It is what it is. I'm into hardcore industrial. Hardcore industrial. Let's have a look at that. What have you put up there? Hardcore industrial. What is that? Okay, I will have a listen to that. I can't play it now because I don't want to get any copyrights infringements on my channel. I'll have a listen to it later and I'll see if I can do any of it. Who knows? Johnson & Johnson has held up pretty well today. I'm quite chuffed with that. Wrong one. What did Lawrence say? At Martyn Lucas 2. I'm not sure what Lawrence 1974. I've no idea what he's telling me. He's over there on TikTok. He enjoyed a guy who you may have heard of, Nigel Goldman. Nigel Goldman. The name rings a bell. But I'll tell everybody right now, unlike some guy this morning having a go at me on TikTok, I don't know everything. Some guy says, why don't you know about XRP? You call yourself a crypto trader. No, I don't. I call myself Martyn Lucas, a guy on the internet who trades, who's made 5,000 to 51,000, who sings, plays the piano, and knows about Bitcoin. That's why I invested in it. I don't know about every cryptocurrency. I only know what I've invested in. I study what I invest in. That's it. Facebook is dipping. We've got some sales going on again now, guys. Apple got down again. Everything's all over the place. What we're going to do now, I'm going to end the show. I'm going to go and have a cup of tea. I'm going to get ready for water aerobics because I'm going to water aerobics in 57 minutes. 11 o'clock my time, which is an hour from now. I'll be in the water doing water aerobics, getting my exercise, which is what I need to do because I sit in this chair a lot, and if I don't stretch, then I'm buggered. So that's what I'll be doing. And I'll be back for the closing bell. I don't know how the market is going, but let's hope that people don't panic and sell. That's right, exactly, Paul. Well, you do know how the market's going because I'm showing you. This is my portfolio right now. You can absolutely see how the market's going. I'm sharing it with you on the screen. You're looking at it. You're looking at it right now. So we know how the market's going. It's going not very well. In fact, it's falling off a cliff. And a lot of that is it's everything, to be honest. It's everything. A lot of fear with China. But what we're going to do, we're going to end the show now. So, Paul, this is the Day Trader channel. This is where you are right now. If you've clicked subscribe and rung the bell, you'll be notified about the events. And scroll down, upcoming live streams. I'm live here every day, every weekday, for the opening and closing bell. Okay? You click on these, it will tell you what time in your time zone, but you're from the UK, so you know what time it is right now, right? Good afternoon, Jamie. Jamie Humes, good afternoon to you. Lovely. So there you go. That's what I do every day. I trade every day on the Day Trader. And then if you want some proper music, not what we were doing a minute ago, go to the Martyn Lucas channel, click here, upcoming live streams, and you will see it there. And you can join me. He made 80 million from a jail cell. Skint now and wanted for fraud in Spain. Oh my God. Hey, can Google his name. I'll Google it. I will Google it later. Thank you very much for that. Yeah. See, made 80 million 1 minute and now he's in a prison. What's it all about? Just do the right thing. Have some fun. Always tell the truth. Be honest. Share with everyone what you're doing. Be engaging. Just try to all I'm trying to do is make enough money to live on. Not trying to be a millionaire. I just want to have money to pay the bills. And that's what I'm doing. There we go. Are we getting any bounce back at all right now? It looks like we probably are. The chart's not quite showing it. But anyway, I'm going to get off. Thank you ever so much, everyone. You've been a great crowd today. We're here to support everyone. We're here, we're a friendly crowd. We're here to make money. We're here to make some music. We're here to have fun. We're here to grow our future. We're here to support everybody. And we don't take any nonsense. We have a bit of fun. And if anyone has a go at me, I tell them to bugger off, go somewhere else. I just do my thing, and that's it. So that's it from me. Thank you very much for being here. And have a lovely day. Look forward to seeing you for the closing bell. Let's find out who the winner is today. Let's see who does the best. But right now, it's time to go. And are you having a good day? Jamie, Humes, we're having a great day. I'm sorry you missed it, because we're over here on YouTube. You've got like 30 seconds to get in and say goodbye to the team. Click the profile link, take you 3 seconds. There's the YouTube icon. Click on it and you'll be in the live chat. But we're off now, and we'll see you all back later for the closing bell. Take care of yourselves. Not a nice person, higher stakes. Oh dear, yeah. Not even worth bothering with, mate. All right, that's it. Have a great day. Take care of yourselves and each other. See you back on the live show, and then see you back for the drive home show. Bye-bye for now. Take care of yourselves and each other.